Imagine this. One day, you're scrolling through your social media feed and stumble upon a post about someone turning $100 into thousands overnight using something called cryptocurrency. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold on, what if that same investment could vanish in seconds too? Welcome to the thrilling world of crypto, where fortunes are made and lost at lightning speed. Why is it so important for beginners like you to get clued up on this digital gold rush? And more importantly, how can you navigate this landscape safely and confidently? Stick with us as we dive into everything you need to know about getting started in cryptocurrency. Let's unravel the mystery together. Enjoy these insights, support our journey with a thumbs up. You've just scratched the surface of this digital gold rush. But before you dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, let's talk about why it's crucial for beginners like you to understand how to earn crypto passive income and get started with crypto trading. Cryptocurrency is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary financial tool that has changed the way people think about money. With its potential for high returns, many have jumped in without understanding the risks involved. This can lead to significant losses if not navigated wisely. So, why should you care? Because with the right knowledge and approach, crypto can be an avenue for earning passive income, a way to grow your wealth while doing less work. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenge of getting started. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and complex. For beginners, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by jargon like blockchain, wallets, and exchanges. But fear not, we're here to break down these concepts into bite-sized pieces that you can easily digest. Ready to learn how to start? Understanding how to earn passive income through crypto involves learning about various methods such as staking, yield farming, and investing in decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. Let's explore some of these methods, starting with staking. Staking involves holding on to certain cryptocurrencies to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of additional tokens. It's akin to earning interest from a bank deposit, but with potentially higher returns. It's important to choose which coins to stake wisely, as not all blockchains offer staking due to technological differences or specific network purposes. Throughout this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about earning passive income through cryptocurrency and the basics of crypto trading for beginners. We'll explore different strategies, explain how they work, and provide actionable steps you can take today. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation that will help you make informed decisions in your crypto journey. As someone who has been navigating this landscape since its early days, I've seen firsthand both the pitfalls and the potential rewards. My aim is to share my knowledge with you in a way that's clear and practical so you can approach cryptocurrency confidently and safely. Subscribe now for more crypto insights. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the details of how you can start earning passive income through crypto and get your feet wet in crypto trading. By understanding these concepts, you'll be well on your way to making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Let's unlock the potential of cryptocurrency together. Another intriguing method is yield farming. This process involves lending your crypto assets to liquidity pools on decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. In exchange for providing these assets, you earn rewards or interest. Yield farming can be more complex and riskier than staking due to the fluctuating nature of DeFi markets, but it also offers higher potential returns. Investing in DeFi platforms is another way to generate passive income. These platforms allow users to lend, borrow, or trade cryptocurrencies without needing traditional financial intermediaries like banks. By participating in these activities, you can earn interest on your crypto holdings. However, remember that the decentralized nature of these platforms means they are not regulated by governments, which introduces a layer of risk. As we explore these methods, it's crucial to understand their risks and rewards fully. Let's explore some of these methods, starting with staking. Staking and yield farming require research into the specific projects and platforms you're considering. Always look for signs of stability and community support within those projects. As for DeFi investments, be cautious about platform security and ensure your funds are protected. Getting started with crypto trading. Now that we've covered passive income, let's shift our focus to crypto trading, a more active approach to earning in the crypto space. Ready to learn how to start? For beginners, it might seem daunting, but understanding a few key concepts can make it accessible. Firstly, you'll need to grasp market dynamics. The cryptocurrency market is volatile and influenced by various factors such as technological advancements, regulatory news, and macroeconomic trends. Keeping an eye on these can help you anticipate potential price movements. Technical analysis is another essential tool for traders. It involves studying past market data, primarily price and volume, to forecast future price actions. By learning how to read charts and identify patterns, you can make informed decisions about when to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. Emotional control is also vital in trading. The crypto market's volatility can lead to impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Developing a disciplined approach, setting clear entry and exit points for your trades, can help maintain focus. Protect your investments from emotional biases by maintaining focus through a disciplined approach with clear entry and exit points for your trades. As you embark on your trading journey, consider starting with a demo account. Many cryptocurrency exchanges offer these free accounts where you can practice trading without risking real money. This hands-on experience is invaluable in building confidence and honing your strategies. Let's break down some actionable steps to help you get started with earning passive income and exploring crypto trading. Educate yourself continuously by staying informed about the latest developments in cryptocurrency, especially concerning staking, yield farming, and DeFi platforms. Join online communities or forums where you can learn from experienced traders. Choose a reputable exchange that offers robust security features and supports the cryptocurrencies you're interested in for trading or passive income strategies. This ensures your investments are safe and you have access to the necessary tools. Set clear goals by defining what you aim to achieve through crypto, whether it's generating passive income, growing wealth over time, or diversifying your portfolio, and let these goals guide your decisions. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your strategies and investments to ensure they align with your financial goals. Be prepared to adjust based on market changes or new information. Start gradually. Begin with small investments, gradually increasing your investment size as your confidence and understanding grow. This approach minimizes risk while allowing you to build experience. As we wrap up this segment of our exploration into crypto, remember that the journey is as important as the destination. Each step you take builds knowledge and confidence in navigating this dynamic landscape. Keep learning, stay curious, and never hesitate to ask questions along the way. Subscribe now for more crypto insights. In the next part of our series, we'll summarize everything we've covered so far and discuss how you can confidently apply these strategies to your own crypto journey. Enjoy these insights? Support our journey with a thumbs up. Let's continue building a solid foundation for your future in cryptocurrency together. As we wrap up our journey into the world of cryptocurrency, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've covered together. We began by exploring why understanding crypto is crucial for beginners and highlighted the challenges newcomers often face when diving into this dynamic field. From there, we navigated through essential strategies like earning passive income through staking and yield farming, as well as the importance of choosing reputable exchanges and setting clear financial goals. Let's explore some of these methods, starting with staking. It involves holding funds in a cryptocurrency wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Throughout our conversation, I've aimed to break down complex concepts into digestible pieces, providing you with actionable steps that empower you to confidently participate in cryptocurrency. Whether it's starting small and gradually increasing your investment size, continuously educating yourself, or regularly reviewing your strategies, each step is designed to build your knowledge and confidence as you navigate this exciting landscape. I hope this journey has demystified some of the complexities surrounding crypto and inspired you to explore further. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and with persistence and curiosity, you can become proficient in managing your own cryptocurrency investments. Ready to learn how to start? Now, I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Before we part ways for now, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. And if you're eager to continue learning, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos in this series. In our next installment, we'll dive deeper into advanced strategies and explore how crypto can be integrated into a diversified investment portfolio. As you move forward with your crypto endeavors, remember that the journey is as enriching as the destination itself. Stay curious, subscribe now for more crypto insights, and most importantly, believe in your ability to succeed in this ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Here's to building a solid foundation for your future in crypto. Exciting times lie ahead.